In front of me is HUAWEI Mate Xs, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to click on Sound and Vibration. Over here. Now you can tap on vibration right away, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibration. When you finished, scroll, click on Phone Ringtone, select Agree in the pop-up, and select Vibration sections at the top for Scene 1 and Scene 2 to adjust them. Tap on one of those vibration patterns to apply it. Hit None to disable it, or tap on Synchronized at the top to synchronize it with your default ringtone. Go back, hit Message Tone, and do exactly the same but for your messages. Lastly, go back again and tap on Notification Tone to do exactly the same a third time, but this time for your notifications. Last but not least, hit More Settings at the bottom and click on those two switches. One next to Vibrate when ringing to disable or enable it, and second next to System Haptics to enable or disable vibrations for key system events and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!